Hi guys, my name is Peter Styler. And if you may give me a few minutes, I'll explain to you and for those who have dreadlocks what crochet is. Yeah, and this is a crochet hook. Yeah, it's a 0.6 millimeters hook. It's used to retouch dreadlocks. They come in different sizes. Yeah, they come in different sizes, like, yeah, this is the 0.6 millimeters hook, and I use it to retouch my client's hair. I use it to tuck in dreadlocks as well. So if I may give you an example, see, I have too much cloth. Yeah, this one. And I wish to crochet. I want to make it even. I want to reduce the growth. I want to reduce the growth. So what I do is I part the hair, and then at the base I hold it with my thumb and second finger. I pass the crochet inside, and at an angle I pull the hair together from one side to the other in a circular motion. This technique is the one which is used to make instant dreadlocks by Chris McDre. This is the same technique that is used to tuck in loose hair from the dreadlock. Yeah, and I can go all the way to the base of the dreadlock, taking special care on the root, making sure I don't cut any hair strand, because you can use the crochet and apparently you weaken up your dreadlocks. You may find out that you're cutting rather than fixing your hair. So minimum strength is used. You don't pull the crochet so far outside the dreadlock. This is a technique one has to master, and with time you become better. I'm used to this, and at times speed increases with time. You start slowly. You may find you getting poked. It's normal. Yeah, you may be, or you also become a professional, but you also find yourself getting poked. So this is the repaired dreadlock. You see? You can see these other ones, how they look like. And you can do this repeatedly to all other dreadlocks. It can't open. I've reduced the growth, and I'm comfortable with it the way it is. this is how I repair my hairline, and I'm looking forward to do this until all of them are strong enough. I'm comfortable with the crochet, and when you use the crochet, this is called the technique is just called crochet. But coming to this tool, it's called a latching hook. It's used to interlock dreadlocks, where you use the latching hook to put it at the you place it at the base of the hair, and then you tug the hair to the loop, and then you lock it from deep inside, from below. Yeah, but I don't use that technique. I'll explain how to use the latching hook later in the next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. Once again, this is Peter Styler.